In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote affiliate links on X, Twitter, and turn it into a profitable platform for your affiliate marketing business. By the end of this video, you will have a clear strategy to start earning commissions with just few tweets, okay? I will share with you guys how we can join affiliate marketing programs, how we can get your links, and I will share with you tips and strategies how we can find people who will be interested to buy those services or products from you on Twitter, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys miss one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and just in the last 7 days I made $2,912 in commissions using free traffic. I will update this page. It's not screenshot. This is my affiliate account, as you can see. Anyway, for people who want to start promoting affiliate links on Twitter, step number one, you guys need to go to Fiverr, okay? Sorry, you guys need to go to Google and search for Fiverr, search for this website, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to use your email address, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to company, okay? Let me show you. Just go to company and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting with Fiverr. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Anyway, go back and click here on join now. And here you go. The sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do is just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. And you can choose your country from here and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You guys can see the sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on Twitter, okay? So here is what you will do. I will share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Twitter. Just go back to your Fiverr homepage and click on the search and search for logo design, okay? Search for this service and scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Fiverr. What you need to do for you is you need to choose good sellers. So always choose like level 1 seller, level 2, top rated sellers, pro sellers. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. If those sellers that you are choosing are good sellers, people will buy this service from you and you will earn commissions. Okay? So let me choose, for example, I'm gonna choose like, let me see, I'm gonna choose like this one. You guys can see this one. This one has over 1,000 reviews and almost 5-star. It's good, but let's scroll down. We have also this one. I think this one is good. Like this one is top rated seller. I will choose this one. I will click on his service like this, and here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and you guys can see here this seller has a lot of orders in queue. Look how many orders in queue, and people keep coming back. Over 9,000 people paid for this service, meaning it's working and people already paying money to make and to get logo design service. So here is what you will do for you. You will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here and just click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Twitter. Okay, so let's go to X Twitter. Go and open your account like this. If you don't have, you can just go to Google and search for X Twitter like this, and just click on the first link. Sign up using your email address. It's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click here on the search and search for I need logo. Okay, search for this keyword. Pay close attention. Scroll down, and here you go. I need help designing my logo for my real estate business. This person is just posted this tweet today searching for logo designer. You guys can see any designer out there? You see? If we scroll down, you can find more. I need someone who can help me create logo. Okay, you see, here is another one. If we scroll down, I need logo. I need help making logo. So people are searching for a logo designer. Okay, and this is exactly why we choose logo design service. So for example, let's choose this the first person. Just click here on reply. So you need to create a good reply with your affiliate link and send it to this person who is searching for logo designer. So here is what you will do next. Pay close attention. Just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, let me show you. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have new account, you can't see this option Fiverr Stay Pay Old Plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account and I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short link. I will just go to Google and I will search for bit.ly. Okay, I will search for this website. You guys can use this website if you want to make your affiliate links short links. And here you go. And it's for free. Okay, of course it's for free. This will be your home page. Click on create new link and just put your affiliate link here and click on create your link. And here you go. You will get short affiliate link like this one. Copy this link, go back, and what you will do next, so let me show you. Go back to this seller profile page, okay, and copy this title. Okay, copy this title, go back to Twitter and put this title here. Okay, I will delete this because I will do logo design for your business. Okay, and you need to put your affiliate link here. So I will go back to bit.ly, I will copy this affiliate link, go back to Twitter and put my affiliate link here. Okay, and here you go. I will click on reply, and your reply will be sent to this person who is searching for logo designer, exactly like this. You guys can see. So if this person is still searching for someone to make logo for his real estate business, of course he will get back to you. And if he click on your affiliate link like this, he will be directly in this seller profile page. Click on continue, buy this service from you, you will earn commission. And this is exactly how you can promote affiliate links on X Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Like this video if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in my next video.